Claims and counterclaims this evening from the government and parliamentary opposition about why bilateral talks on the country's crime problem are not being held. The government says the opposition has not responded to invitations to meet, but the opposition has fired back saying that's not true. TVJ's Vashon Brown reports.
The National Security Minister Robert Montague was addressing the Jamaica Labour Party's 74th annual conference at the National Arena on Sunday. Mr. Montague told party supporters that the opposition has publicly expressed a willingness to hold talks with the government on crime, but he accused the opposition of refusing to meet with him despite its public utterances.
I hear them running off their mouth. In February, I had a meeting with the officers of the PNP. They promised they would organize another meeting. I don't hear nothing from them. I write them in July. Me don't hear from them. I call them in September. All know they don't want to meet with us to talk about crime and violence in this country. It tells me, I ask them, why?
But the opposition spokesman on national security, Fitz Jackson, says that's not true.
I have not received any correspondence from neither the Prime Minister nor the Minister of National Security. However, our General Secretary has subsequently informed me that earlier this year, Mr. Montague wrote indicating that he wished to meet with the PNP councillors across the country. At the time, it was just before the summer, and then going into the by-election, it was not convenient for him to have that meeting with the councillors.
He argues that the requested meeting with the councillors could not be accurately described as an invitation to the opposition to meet to discuss crime-fighting strategies. Mr. Jackson points out that he fully understands the importance of partnership to deal with the bloodletting across the island, which has already seen more than 1,400 persons killed since the start of the year. He's again saying the opposition is willing to meet with the government on crime.
You can't give a serious invitation to the opposition by some tweet or some Facebook posting. National security and governance is serious business. It's a responsible business. And I just beg of them to behave responsibly and behave in a serious way. Not for me, but for the people of Jamaica's sake.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.